pot a bubble as usual. See pot the guys a bubble and a go on with beer things and thing. Yeah man, so using some chicken foot. And as I tell you, some cowhead. So let me show you the cowhead. I don't like when my cowhead cook out too much either too. I don't like when it mash up. You know? So this is it. And we have some nice lovely corn. So yeah man, I eat that. When I'm ready to put in the rest of loading at the pot, you guys gonna surely be here with me to see all of that. So I'm going to toss in the pumpkin seed for now. And just cover back this and you know, make it go and cook and thing. Tossing in my pumpkin in the pot. Look at that lovely color, guys. Look at that. Real pumpkin, eh? Couldn't ask for a better pumpkin. So this is our cocoa. All peel and wash. And this cocoa is dry. So you know when this cook, this nice. So we're going to just toss that in the pot as well. Yeah man, we're going to give that a good little stir. We're going to just cover back this now and allow it to continue to cook. Pot a go on with itself, yeah? At this point now guys, at this point we're putting all the food in the pot. So this is our lovely yellow yam. So we're going to just toss that right in. Give that a nice little stir. Make sure the water cover all your food so that your food cook properly. So this is our dasheen. So I'm gonna go ahead and just toss that right in the pot as well. Yeah. And it look like my pot need a little more water, but no problem as I go along. I just put some more water if it need it. So I'm going to just cover back this now and allow it to cook. Allow the foods them to cook in my pot. Checking our food pot. Guys, you can check out my YouTube channel. You will see where I make chicken foot soup from start to finish. So if you don't know how to clean up your chicken foot, you can check my channel. You will see I show you how you should clean up your chicken foot before you proceed to make your chicken foot soup. Alrighty. So food has gotten soft and everything. We still going to let this cook some more. It's not where we wanted it to be. So I'm going to just cover back the pot and leave it. Alrighty, but looking good so far. Alright guys, I just finished knead up my flour. And I add more cornmeal than flour to my mixture. So then we see it looking a little, what I would say, yellow. That is because I have more cornmeal than flour. So I'm gonna go right ahead now and put this in the pot. Our soup looking all bougie and all. I'm just dropping my, I don't like to put my dumplings big. I don't like to make them big whenever time I do soup. I like to make them real small. So after putting in my flour in the pot, guys, I'm putting in some little roll. Yeah, some little spinners. Growing up, I used to see my mother, whenever time she cook soup or stew peas, she would put these little flour in the pot. And I'm like, why mommy I use two different type of flour? But you know, you grow up and you get older, you understand what is what. And you know this is a must have from your Jamaican. And you cook your little soup and thing. You know you have to roll up your little flour and chop it in your pot. Not to mention your stew peas. So I eat that, guys. I'm going to drop in my scallion pepper. Yeah man, I'm going to season it up, you know. Looking all bougie and all of that. Yup, this is where I want it. So here what happened now. I'm going to just season this up right about now. Yeah man, I use it. So you know, at this point, guys, you reduce your heat. Right? You don't want your food to be itching in the pot bottom. So you reduce your heat. So I'm gonna go ahead and put some pimento berries in my soup, and I'm gonna go right ahead and put in some fresh springtime scallion, and a big Scotch bonnet pepper right there. Right, I'm gonna give that a good little stir. Yeah. Then I'm gonna just shake my noodle right in. I'm gonna dance my noodle right into the pot, guys. So we are just going to put in our noodles right now. And you know I can't put the salt in the pot until I put in the noodle, right? So I'm going to just quick give that a good stir so that nothing don't lump up. So that my noodle don't lump up. You can't throw the noodle one place in your soup. You have to do it same like how you see I do it a while ago, guys, so that it don't lump up. You don't get any lumps. Because if you throw it out one place, you will get lumps. It will lump up. So it don't get to make your soup as flavorful as how you want it when it lump up. Once it lump up, it's not going to let your soup flavorful. So you have to throw it all over like how you see I just do a while ago. And then you just stir it quickly. Give it a good stir. Alright, so I eat that, guys. So here what happened now. I have some carrot. So I'm just going to dance in my carrot right into the pot. So I'm just going to dance in my carrot in the pot. Then I'm going to just cover and let the steam deal with that. Alrighty. So the next time you see this, guys, you're going to see me with a big bowl sipping on. So this is it. Our lovely chicken foot soup with cow head. And here's a piece of the cow head. Well cooked and all that, yeah. Alrighty.